DIGI CRIMP tools calibration process. Before starting the calibration process, prepare the necessary tools. Alien key to unblock adjusting knob. Take the right size of the gauge. To the tools from series 8753, 8756, 8763, take gauge of the size 2 mm. To the tools from series 8723, 8726, 8733, 8736, take gauge of the size 1 mm. Before starting the calibration, use an Allen key to unscrew the adjusting knob locking bolt. Check smooth move of adjusting knob. Turn on the display. Open the flap with battery. Wait a few seconds for the multifunctional digital display to turn off. Turn the adjusting knob down to the ref point. Always turn the adjusting knob to the end. Close the battery cover. Turn the adjusting knob above the call position, plus direction. Important, during calibration, we always turn the adjusting knob towards minus. Close the tool and put the gauge between crimping pins. Check the fit between the crimping jaws and the gauge. Turning down the adjusting knob slowly to the minus direction, check the matching between the crimping pins and the gauge. The gauge must come between the crimping pins with resistance. Click in the same time buttons on off and mode. Hold both buttons for 5 seconds. Release the mode button and then on off. The display should show the base size after calibration. Push for 12 seconds mode button to see the lifespan of the crimping tool. You can see the serial number of the tool is displayed. You can see the percentage of wear on the crimping pins. You can see the reference value. You can see the number of calibrations so far. The calibration process made in this way allows the users to continue working with the DIGI CRIMP series tools, guaranteeing 100% correctness of the crimp made. If you have any questions or problems with the calibration process, do not hesitate to contact us.